What if I told you that the future of smartphones just got a major upgrade? Today, we're diving into everything that's brand new with the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. From revolutionary camera tech to life-changing AI, Apple is about to change the game once again. Let's uncover these game-changing features and see if the hype is real. Welcome back to Curious Mind, where we explore the cutting edge of science and tech. Whether you're an Apple fanatic or just curious about the latest innovations, today's video is packed with everything you need to know about the iPhone 16 series. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the design. The iPhone 16 comes with a completely revamped edge-to-edge display, pushing even closer to a true bezel-less experience. But here's the kicker. Apple has introduced a dynamic material blend. The Pro model now incorporates aerospace-grade liquid metal for unparalleled durability and sleekness. And that notch? It's finally a thing of the past, replaced by the under-display Face ID for a more immersive look. Photography enthusiasts, this one's for you. Apple's made some bold moves with the camera. The iPhone 16 Pro now features a quad-lens system with AI-powered ProRes video recording and the all-new HyperZoom technology, allowing for insane 5x optical zoom without sacrificing clarity. And don't forget the Cinematic Focus 2.0, giving you that Hollywood-level depth and focus control with ease. Now, let's talk brains. Both iPhone 16 models are powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, but what makes it truly next-gen is its AI-driven performance. The iPhone 16 Pro uses on-device neural engines to enhance everything from gaming to AR capabilities. Imagine a phone that adapts to your daily habits, predicting your next move, whether it's launching an app or adjusting performance based on your needs. The iPhone 16 series promises up to 40% more battery life, but the real innovation is in the new magnetic fast wireless charging feature. Charge your phone 50% in under 15 minutes. No wires, no hassle. Apple has also introduced reverse wireless charging, so your iPhone 16 can now share power with other devices like your AirPods or Apple Watch. Apple's attention to detail extends beyond hardware. The iPhone 16 brings a new iOS 18, which is a huge leap in terms of customization and ease. With interactive widgets and live activities, the new iOS is designed to work smarter for you. And let's not forget the always-on display that now adjusts dynamically based on your environment, saving battery while keeping essential information at your fingertips. So, should you upgrade? If you're someone who loves having the latest tech, especially if photography, AI, and design are big factors, then the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro might just be your next device. But stay tuned for the real-world reviews. We'll be breaking down just how well these features perform in everyday use. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates and breakdowns like this. Let me know in the comments, are you excited about the iPhone 16? Which feature has you most intrigued? This is Curious Mind, and I'll see you in the next one.